Hi Sharad, how are you?
Sir, I am fine. How about you?
Good, good. Thank you. So, can you brief about yourself and let me know how your career is moving forward?
Sure, sir. This is Sarath. Currently, I am working with Indigene Life Systems Private Limited as a UI designer, and currently I am getting 4.5 lakhs per annum. And due to this pandemic, right now I am working in home, and I'll be back hopefully once the lockdown gets over. And
Okay,
I feel this is a comfortable job.
okay, that's great to hear, Sarath.
Thank you.
And please share your experience with A2N Academy.
Sure, sir. I have done BTech in computer science. As a fresher, I didn't get any right opportunity to join any IT company at the time.
Okay,
As per my friends, sorry, as per my, as I understood, then like if I could have better knowledge or good command in any particular technology or good skill set I could have been, then I maybe get the right job. So as per my friend suggestion, I joined in A2N Academy, and then my life got changed successfully from there. And I personally very thankful to A2N Academy and the trainer as well.
that's great to hear, Sarath. That's great to hear. After working at Indigen, what do you feel? How is the career opportunities for new students who would like to join and start their career in website designing field? So, how is the career opportunities are available?
Yeah, see, for example, if I can say, if you open any website or portfolio or anything, like if you open in browser, there should be look and feel for that particular website. For these things, the main key role is HTML and CSS. These are the two concepts playing a key role in the UI designing part.
Okay.
So if the guy having more knowledge in HTML and CSS, he is the best designer in the world, I guess. So in same way, in the same role, I'm just continuing my work. So I'm doing the best.
Great, sir. So, why students should join A2N Academy? What is your recommendation on it?
Yeah. See, at A2N, there will be a huge number of trainers will be there, and they are carrying most experience in designing and development, and in all the aspects they will help you in each and every way. Uh, I do share with my experience right now. Like when I joined in A2N, the trainer was outstanding. I didn't feel with the demo session itself. I got more attraction. Like I want to join in A2N, and I want to make in a better shape in my life. So I thought like that. So from day one onwards, I feel very excited in each and every day. The trainer used to give a lot of assignments on daily basis. They will take mock interviews like that. They will conduct a sessions, and it was quite good, and I really enjoyed. And I personally very thankful to the A2N, all the trainers and the founder of the A2N Academy as well. And I suggest people who are really seeking for the job, go to A2N and change their life in a better way if they want to become a UI designer. That's it, I feel.
That's great. That's great feedback, and thanks for your time, Sarath, and your thanks for giving us very nice feedback. It'll be and
Yeah,
very all the best to your career, and looking forward to be staying connected. Okay.
yeah.
Thank you, Sarath.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.